This comment says, what is even the point of a will these days? Don't seem much good for anything if anyone can just reverse them or contest them. Well, there's a couple of things going on here. One is, yes, wills are more easily contested because there is already a court case known as probate with a judge already assigned to it. Makes it much easier for one of your default beneficiaries who may not be getting anything based on your will to complain that you didn't know what you were doing, or you had dementia, or didn't have capacity, or someone coerced you to change it, or whatever the case is. Trusts are more difficult to challenge because there is no court case, there is no judge, and the person that wants to challenge it actually has to put some money out of their own pocket to hire a lawyer and institute a lawsuit. That costs much more money than just showing up when there's already a court case. However, what's the point of a will? So a will, I always talk down on and say that, it's not as good as a trust, and I firmly believe that. However, this is why you may still want a will. First thing is, if you don't have a will or a trust, then the state, in my case, the state of Florida, makes the plan for you, and it will dictate who gets your stuff. So depending if you are married, if you have children, if you don't have either, then it would go to your parents' generation. If they're both gone, then it would go to your siblings. And if you didn't have any, then it would go to your grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, niece, nephews, a bunch of other stuff. And that may not be what you want, certainly if you're not close with your family. So what a last will and testament does, it's better than nothing because it lets you answer the two important questions. One, who's in charge of your estate after you die? And second, who are your beneficiaries? Because it may not be your spouse, your children, your brothers and sisters, your parents. You may have friends. You may have distant family. You may have one family member who you love and you hate everybody else, so you can make them your only beneficiary. You can also leave it to charities. You can leave it to anybody or anything that you want. So having a will is better than nothing, but having a trust is better than having a will. Hope this helps. Have a great day.